jackpot this time.
Got the old school back there. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at on this one?
Where am I at?
Yeah.
I'll take the winner.
Okay, who you got? Thorn with the 500 at 141. Right side with a 502 at 143.
Congratulations, Randy Thorn on the win. Old school back half. Congratulations, Randy Thorn. He did take it.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.